All right, my couture crafters, let's talk about these blocks, which are technically big dice that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm showing you this because I thought it would be really easy to do a perpetual, not necessarily a perpetual calendar, because I could turn this into a perpetual calendar, but just perpetual blocks so that they go from 1 to 90, or these actually are going to go from 1 to 100 because I need to be able to stage a photo. So these would be really great for if you have like a baby and you want to put the blocks next to the baby and they're Disney letters. So yay for that. So what I did was I drew the number 0 on the left one, and I did 1. And then I realized that wasn't going to work out. The math didn't work out. So I figured out that on one die, there needs to be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0. And on the next die, it needs to say 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, and 0. And the trick is that your 6 and your 9 need to be reversible. And that's how you can get all of the numbers that you would need to at least do a full calendar. But I need to be able to go from 1 to 100 because, again, I'm working on a project that will that I want to document, and I want to just be able to throw these dice down next to it and stage it, kind of in a cute way. So I went ahead and painted those die with Diane Reevely's paints because they dry super fast. They're super thin, but they give you good coverage. Her white is all dried out. She's got new packaging, so you really shouldn't have to worry about stuff drying out anymore, which I need to change over to all the new packaging. And I cut out the numbers on my Cricut, and I used the I think it's called Waltograph font, which is basically the Disney font, or like the knockoff of the Disney font that everybody uses. And now I'm just doing some weeding because I love to weed. And this was not smart. This was extremely wasteful. I should call myself the wasteful crafter because sometimes I waste. I could have cut one small rectangle and used it over and over and over again for all of these, but instead I cut very large panels. And this transfer paper worked pretty good. I'm always looking for some decent transfer paper that will release from paper and will stick to the vinyl, blah, blah, blah. So basically, I made stickers. I made vinyl stickers to put on these die. I let the die dry, the dice dry overnight, just because I didn't want any, mistakes. So I took the paper and the transfer paper and put it down over all of them. Then I cut them apart and just basically used them like a big old sticker. So here I am using my Tim Holtz scissors. But yeah, this could be great for if you're staging something and you need perpetual numbers, which would be, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just back-to-back numbers going up through the numbers. And I also did 3 for mine. I should have done 4. So that way I could have kept the black, white, but it's just not that serious. But I did 3 because, again, I'm trying to get to 100. So I'm going to do 100 of something. Can you guess what that's going to be? Something crazy. I can't believe I'm committing to this. We'll see if I finish it. I probably will because it's something that I want to do. But anyway, I needed numbers so that I could stage my pictures for Instagram. And so now here we go. And you see how that 6 and that 9 are rotated around so that they look the same. So on the third dice, because I need to get to 100, I put another 0 and then a 9. And that's how you do it. All right, guys, thought I'd share that with you. Check with you on my next video. Bye.